Alright, so here's that neck that I took the clamps off of just a little while ago, and as you can see, it turned out pretty nice. I've already done a little bit of scraping on this side, which was to remove the excess glue that was along here. There's still some glue on this part right here, which we'll see if I may end up going ahead and taking this all the way down to this surface level with the actual scraper. But once I'm to the area that I want it to be, I don't necessarily have to worry so much about taking all this glue off, because it's going to get rounded over here, with this being about the centralized point here, staying about this thickness on it. But may end up taking a little bit off there, just if it's feeling like a baseball bat. So anyways, I'm going to try to position this thing. There's some excess glue that's out here on the fingerboard that's attached here to the neck. And so I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't show you with the scraper here how I'm going about removing some of that. And if you have a nice sharp scraper, it really does a pretty quick job of removing that stuff. You can see all the stuff that's kind of falling away from the neck here. One thing I did do after I had put on the glue, put on the clamps, I went back and tried to make sure that I was getting any super big globs of glue that were along here that were dripping down, since it was in disorientation. Get as much of that scraped off down so that maybe there was just a thin layer of glue that was left on there, and made it a lot easier than having to deal with really big, thick chunks of glue that would not have been easy to scrape off. So anyways, just thought I would show you kind of part of the process that I'm going through in this build. Now that I'm transitioning a little bit to some videos, I'll still have my pictures and verbiage up on my blog site, which is Laird Woodworking, and hopefully you'll come out and check it out and enjoy watching this, and maybe even decide that you too can build a guitar if somebody like I can. Thanks for watching. Laird out.